Hi, I'm Nicole Belanda. I'm the Customer Advocacy Program Manager at Rockwell Automation, and we're here to talk about results achieved. I'm joined by Alexander and Diego Mendoza to talk about some great results that they're achieving at BCP Group. Hi, guys.
Hi.
Hello, Nicole. Thank you for having us.
We're so grateful to have BCP Group in our partner network because you've always been ahead of the curve, and you're launching something new. Can you talk a little bit about MAGNETA and what your goals are with MAGNETA?
If you evaluate the oil and gas market, is the market create energy, but we have to move this concept for the crude oil to green energy. And part of the green energy is this idea. MAGNETA will be to supply, join with different oriented Rockwell Automation products to offer to the market the vision for the permanent magnet motor application. And MAGNETA will be now to create and consolidate all this knowledge during 22 years about controller and artificial lift to orient it more to all the application for the oil and gas business. And of course, MAGNETA will be moved to the industrial market too. Rockwell Automation, BCPGroup, and now MAGNETA introducing in the market the more revolutionary technology for control and drive sustainability for medium voltage application.
We're really excited about this too because this is an industry that has a lot of opportunity for making a move with sustainability, and this technology is going to help them do that so much. So Diego, tell us a little bit about your role in MAGNETA.
So MAGNETA is my idea. I had to make my mark the same way my dad made his mark 22 years ago. And this is a very important issue to me, a very important challenge to tackle. My dad founded this company on cutting edge technology and innovation and seeking out the best that the industry has to offer. That's why we're here with Rockwell Automation. And I needed to bring the cutting edge technology of my time as I was maturing as an engineer, which is PMM technology and the artificial intelligence. So at its root, MAGNETA is founded with the same roots that my dad planted 22 years ago in Maracaibo, Venezuela, only here in the United States. And we seek to assist the United States oil industry as they begin to move forward with their sustainability goals.
Perfect. Tell us a little more about that technology. So permanent magnet motors and artificial intelligence, how is this coming together to help these oil and gas companies?
So it's very complex, the technology, of course, but the idea is very simple. At its root, this technology can be applied to all facets of the oil and gas industry. Of course, our expertise is artificial lift. So we begin by applying this technology to the different artificial lift methods. So we have PCP, which is our foundational technology, which was widely used in Venezuela where we began. We can use PMM and AI to optimize the PCP artificial lift system. Then we proceed to soccer rod pump, the #1 artificial lift system method in the United States in terms of wells. And we use, again, the same PMM and AI technology.
So Diego, tell us about how Rockwell Automation is helping partner with BCP Group and MAGNETA to make this come to life.
Rockwell has been a perfect partner in our tackle of this challenge. They're as committed as we are to addressing the sustainability needs of the oil and gas industry. And they have brought their expertise in variable speed drives to this challenge. They have provided all the resources necessary in order to provide the most cutting-edge variable speed drive, which reduces the harmonic feedback to the grid with the AFE technology. And they are working with us to develop firmware for PMM control, which we could apply universally to all of our PMM applications across all artificial lift methods. Together, Rockwell and MAGNETA are going to bring this cutting-edge technology to the oil and gas industry in the United States and are going to give them the ability to reduce their OPEX and CAPEX numbers, and also, of course, reduce the carbon footprint of the operation. This is an incredibly important challenge that we're tackling together, and we cannot have asked for a better partner than Rockwell Automation.
We're glad to partner with you on this. So let's dig a little bit more into what type of results you expect that we'll see. Have you done any calculations to figure out how might this impact oil and gas companies that put this in place?
Yes, so we are very excited for this technology because it has presented significant results in testing. These results are verifiable due to our natural experience from the field, so our simulations are very precise. And we are soon to begin installing our PMM motors for soccer rod pump in the field. both in Colombia and in the United States, and as well as PCP in Venezuela. We predict between 20 and 30%, depending on the field conditions, of course, on the expenditures of energy savings. So 20-30% savings on electricity expenditures on the operation of that specific well. If you multiply that by the thousands of wells that we can change, that's a big chunk that would be taking off of the energy expenditure of the industry.
Wow, that's really cool. I'm probably getting ahead of myself here, but this seems like something that could someday be applied to other industries as well, this permanent magnet motor technology, optimized with artificial intelligence. Do you have plans someday in the future to maybe expand beyond oil and gas?
Yeah, this is part of the MAGNETA. This is the reason MAGNETA born outside the BCPGroup Artificial Lift. Because the idea is that when you have the flux-oriented control philosophy, or the flux-oriented sensor-led philosophy, you can create this artificial intelligence for any process in the market.
Sustainability and using technology to make our systems a lot more efficient and being able to provide more energy for all. So this is very important to me.
Good for the bottom line, good for the earth.
Yeah.
Can't go wrong.
Yeah.
I'm really glad that we're partnering together on this. Thank you for coming here and sharing your story with us. We appreciate it.
Thank you,
Thank you
Nicole.
so much for your invitation.